So now let's see how we can work around with the attachment settings inside of Thunderbird. So there is a certain way that Thunderbird handles your attachment, and if you want to go ahead and change that, then you need to go around under the tools menu right here and then go to settings. So once you go around over here, what you can simply do is you can go around onto the composition setting right here and then simply scroll down. So over here you can see that it says check for missing attachments. So if I were to go around over here, and let's say for example I'm going to go around and say please find the document in the attachment, let's say for example, and let me just go around and choose an email and hit send. Then what happens is that it says your message does not have a subject right here, and then it says did you forget to add an attachment? That is because my mail actually says I have an attachment right here. So according to that, it actually double verifies out the attachment as well if this is actually checked on. So here you can see that it says offered to share for files larger than 5 megabytes as well. So let's say for example, if I were to go around and then let's say for example more files right here, you can go ahead and limit the size and it'll offer to share the files for larger than 1 megabytes right here. So if I were to go around and let's say for example I have let's say tutorial right here just like this, I'm simply going to go around and say test right here just like this. I can go ahead and attach right here. Let's say for example, let me just go around onto the videos folder, which is actually larger than 1 MB. Then you can see that this actually says that this is a large file and it might be better to use a file link instead right here, and you can go ahead and utilize the link right here. So you can go ahead and utilize a file link storage service and manage it around over here as well, and find the different providers that you can use from over here as well. So this is what you have, and that is how you can utilize the attachment settings for bigger attachments as well. So that is how you can work around with the attachment settings as you like inside of Thunderbird. So over here you can see that it says check for missing attachments, and these are the words that it actually checks for. So the word attachment, PPS or RTF or PPT. And if you want to go ahead and add new right here, then you can simply go ahead and let's say for example say docx right here just like this. Then you can simply go ahead and add that in as well, and it'll check out for attachments if that particular keyword is used in the email. So that is how you can work around with the attachment settings inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.